This is an introduction video to integers. By the end of this lesson, the student should be able to define and identify integers, explain the behavior of integers along the temperature scale, compare two integers, arrange integers in ascending or descending order, add two or more integers using a number line, subtract an integer from another integer using a number line. What are integers? Integers are numbers you have been coming across ever since you started learning mathematics. Probably you may not know that they are called integers. Now let's look into the definition of integers. Integers are both positive and negative whole numbers. The whole numbers are counting numbers including 0. When you look at the number line, you can see that you have two sets of numbers. Some numbers are written in red while some are written in green, except 0 that is different. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is a separator, is a barrier between the positive and the negative integers. What are the negative integers? What are the positive integers? The positive integers are the numbers written in red. They are by the right hand side of 0. Integers are the numbers written in red and they are by the right hand side of 0. They could be written without the positive sign. The first one there is 1. It is positive. Yes. You are curious that the sign is not there. Yes, it is correct. Positive integers could be written without the positive sign. So we have positive 1. This is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. They are all positive integers, okay? And by the left of 0, you have the negative integers. So the first one is negative 1 and up to negative 9. Yes, you want to ask a question, right? Can we write negative 1 as 1? Absolutely no, it is impossible. So all negative numbers are written with the negative sign indicated. The next thing is to see the movement of integers along this number line. What happens as they move along the number line? The farther you go along the positive integers, the bigger the numbers become. Take for instance, you have 1, you move to 2, you move to 3, to 4, to 5, to 6, to 7, to 8, and so on and so forth. As you move along the positive integers, the numbers become bigger. That is, the smallest integer here is 1, while the highest integer here is 8. So as you move towards the positive integers, the numbers become bigger. Also, the further you go along the negative integers, the smaller the numbers become. Unlike the positive integers that keep on increasing, the negative integers keep on decreasing. So the biggest negative integer here is negative 1. So if you move to this, it becomes smaller. 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 You move to this, it becomes smaller until you get to 9 and it continues to decrease. That means from this scale here, negative 1 is the highest number here, while negative 9 is the smallest number. You are dealing with negative numbers. Okay, so don't consider only 1 and 9. Don't consider only the digits. The sign must be considered. Here, negative 1 is bigger than negative 9. As you move from negative 1 towards the left hand side like this, the numbers become smaller. So unlike the positive integer where you have 1 and 8, 8 is the bigger number. So if you have minus 1 and minus 8, which one will be the bigger number? It is minus 1. Why? Because as you move towards the left hand side of the negative integers, when you start from 0, the numbers keep on decreasing. The numbers become smaller. Now, you know that when you move towards the right hand side of the number line, the numbers increase. And when you move towards the left-hand side of the number line, the numbers decrease. This is the end of the introduction video. In the next video, I will discuss the behavior of integers along the temperature scale.